Hi folks, I'm meteorologist Tom Kveka. We've got our first warnings in the fringes of our area across northern portions of Winn and Natchitoches parishes. Let's go up there and see what's happening there with that watch. That was a severe thunderstorm watch that was flashing up, by the way. We'll get to that. Let's get to the warnings first, though. First of all, we zoom in a little bit. Right here in the northwest corner of Winn Parish, we have a little one of those kind of polygon curiosities that we got Bruton's Mill. That's about it, just up above Goldana and Bethlehem, west of Dodson. So it's just a very tiny part of Winn Parish. Likewise, in the far northern portion of Natchitoches Parish, above Goldana, as we go in toward Riedheimer and Chestnut, up above Creston and up above Fairview Alpha. Martin in the warning, that's not in Natchitoches Parish, so you get the idea. Ashland looks like it's rocking and rolling pretty well right there. So these warnings, this one is, let's see, valid until 9:15, and then the other one is valid until 9:15 also. Again, those warnings for the possibility of some high wind and hail in those particular areas. And we also want to kind of zoom out and show you that we have just all the parishes essentially in central Louisiana except St. Landry. We have a severe thunderstorm watch, which means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms to produce large hail and damaging wind. So for tonight, that's what we're looking at as far as the watch is concerned and the warnings. Now we look back what we call upstream in meteorology, and we see big storms off to the west of us in East Texas, and those are tracking east, a little bit east-northeast at times. Many times this might take a right turn more toward the southeast or toward Beauregard and Vernon parishes. Some of these could also be left movers. They could take off more towards Sabine Parish. So we're watching those closely, and many times with perhaps a couple of additional cells developing there between Lufkin and Natchitoches, we could see that kind of fill in, congeal, as we say, and become a convective complex in which it would organize. Then it would head eastbound across the Mississippi River here later on for tonight. So these watches valid until midnight for the Sabine, Natchitoches, Grant, Winn, and LaSalle parishes. All the other watches for all the other parishes valid until 3 a.m. So we're looking at the midnight to 3 a.m. time frame before we're probably through with this stuff. So it's going to take a while for it to get through, folks. A little patience with us, and so we'll continue to monitor this. Again, those are the only two warnings for the possibility of hail and strong wind, but we're watching storms upstream that can certainly carry severe potential. That's why the watches are out. And so we'll keep you updated with the